Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9300 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. Introducing the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9300, a rechargeable electric power toothbrush that revolutionizes oral care. This toothbrush uses smart sensor technology to provide an exceptional clean, taking your oral hygiene to the next level. It's proven to remove up to 10x more plaque than a manual toothbrush, improving gum health up to 7x in just 2 weeks. Not only that, it removes up to 100% more stains in just 3 days, giving you a brighter, whiter smile. The toothbrush comes with 3 different smart brush head types. These automatically pair with the appropriate brushing mode, providing real-time feedback for optimal results. There are 4 modes to choose from: Clean, White Plus, Deep Clean Plus, and Gum Health. Plus, it offers 3 intensity levels to suit your needs. The package includes 1 connected Sonicare toothbrush handle with 4 modes and 3 premium brush heads for plaque control, whitening, and gum health. Also included are a charging glass and a travel case, ensuring your toothbrush is always ready to use wherever you are. But that's not all. You can subscribe and save on genuine Philips Sonicare brush head replacements. By subscribing, you can save up to 15% on these essential replacements, ensuring your toothbrush is always performing at its best. So why wait? Upgrade your oral care routine with the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9300. Experience the difference of a truly clean, healthy, and radiant smile. Get yours today and start enjoying the benefits of advanced oral care technology.